Hey yo, hey guys.
Hey,
We're back.
start it.
We're exactly back. We're exactly back. So this time we're back in my house. It's been a long time since we've made a video like that. And I hope I'm not shaking the camera again. So let's get started. We have a Nerf gun. Time to get started.
What should we do?
Hey yo, so Prith is here too. With the Nerf gun.
With some guns.
Come on.
I'm with my ammunition.
Let's go. Let's go. It's so hard for me to see because everything is like so shaky around here.
By the way, I'm sorry guys, but my friend Rodai actually has some small cold.
What?
Yeah.
Some small cold?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You have a small cold. Arey, why did you ruin it? I'm sorry guys, that was just my mom.
Oh my god. That's just his mom. We're still kids. We're not allowed to use phones.
Let's just... By the way guys, today we will try to again destroy the collection monster.
Of course.
Because he again came back. Because we have been close together till more than 4 seconds.
Ayo, go. Take it.
Guys, by the way, like this is gonna be quite hard because
We are bringing it to your mouth, you idiot.
oh, by the way, guys, this is gonna be quite hard to kill him because he has gotten like 5 or 4 upgrades since the last time we fought him. And nowadays, if I fight him alone, I'm gonna literally explode because he's so strong. And let's get some Dodo camera. Okay, we are gonna do suspects.
I will shoot that tree.
We're gonna shoot the tree.
I hope I don't lose the bullet.
And what was that sound? Why was there a baby screeching? Wait a second. Why is Vicky? What is Vicky doing over there? What the hell? Can you guys see her?
Ayo, you can't do this. Ayo, I'm gonna focus on her. Can you see? Can you see? See? She's sitting over there for over 5 hours right now. She's smiling.
Should I guys?
What the hell?
should I
Cats can't smile.
Guys, should I?
Oh my god, she's smiling.
Guys,
Look
should
at her.
I'll shoot her.
Shoot her. Wait, her smile just went away. She's
She's grinning. Get away from this place. Go to the scary Jadu corner.
Wait, no, the correction monster will know that you are going to the scary Dalu corner. Let's go
I
here.
told you, Dodo. These are the new forms.
Sweetie lost the smile.
If you smile at me one more time, I'm gonna shoot.
Oh my god. Did you see that? She just blacked out on her face.
Dude, is she gonna make the red eyes happen? I'm already on the target, dude.
She's looking away. That's bad.
She's probably gonna try to kill my grandma. Dude, I do not like this. Guys, should I
You
shoot?
can't. Don't shoot it. The aim is
Oh my
not
god, he's
correct.
trying to. She's gonna try smile at me again.
She's smiling. Should we go to your house and see? And then shoot? I guess.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna go to my house.
Wait, let me.
Dodo is not at all.
One second.
Sorry, guys. This
Huh?
is grandma.
We have to go to the. এই গাড়িতে যেতে হবে দাঁড়াও
Sorry, guys. That just says grandma.
Oh my god, they are irritating.
Oh my, he's again smiling. I have a target ready, Vidi. Don't get scared.
Target ready. Come on, come here. Shoot. and run. Get it now! Get it! We did! Don't kill us! Go!
Oh my god! Go! Go there.
Get out.
Go, Taxi went away. Oh my god.
Get out! Come out! Fast! She ran at us. Good. I'm gonna go to her. I'm gonna go.
Why is there a random bicycle on our house?
What the? Huh? Nerf gun. See that? You hold the phone.
Dodo, let's adventure. Guys, this is literally creeping me out like hell.
Video me.
Let's just get... Dodo is not gonna climb up the tree. The gate. Just open it. Come on, dude.
Come on.
Okay. Guys, it's literally Vidya's creeping me like hell. Let's see if she's again here or what.
She's at my house. Let me hold the phone. You get ready for the Nerf gun.
Wait, what was that? I just heard a meow.
She's not there, right? Guys, tell me if you spot her.
Okay, Dodo, let's split up. You go there, I'll go there.
Yeah, good idea. You hold the phone. You get the phone. Is that on it?
Guys, this is literally creeping me out. And I'm so scared, dude. Like, I think Vidya is roaming around, but she's not. Like, I don't know what to do. Stumbled on. Dodo, should we go outside and go up to the forest over there? I think that's a good idea.
No.
Guys, bro. Dodo, you hold the gun. Dude, why can't this stupid dog stop barking?
Yo, you didn't get the bullets.
Shit, we need to make mission to go there. Dodo, you stay and watch out. I'll get a bullet.
Wait, you come here?
Let's see if she's around here. Oh my god! She's right there! She's looking at me so creepy. Let me just zoom in. Oh my god, bro. She's so creepy.
Oh my god. Let me get the Nerf gun.
Let me get the following bullets.
Oh.
Where did she go?
She's right there. Shoot.
No.
Come on.
Sorry, there's just some interference. Guys, I think we are going to make a part 2 of this video. And
No, wait. What if we no, let's film us eating.
let's just get some resting.
Guys, We're gonna film.
Give me the camera while you eat.
Okay, take the camera.
I'll film video. না আমার খাওয়ার ইচ্ছে নেই Guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, you're gonna, I think, make a part 2 of this video. But this is really creepy. Let's go back to my house to find like any evidence. What? What?
Nobody. I just heard a cracking noise.
Are you sure you're not trolling me or what?
I'm not true. I heard them inside my ear.
Okay.
It's red.
Guys, we will now check upon the house and we will now.
You're gonna check the bathroom?
Yeah. So there's nothing in the bathroom. Wait a second, what was that? What was that? I just saw something. Guys, bro, this thing is creeping me. Ah!
What's up?
Open up the window.
Wow.
Hold the camera, hold the camera.